Hi friends, welcome to another episode of R&N Vlog. Today we will be showing you how to make Mutton Yakhni Pulao. Mutton Yakhni Pulao, which resembles Mutton Biriyani in every respect. It is a dish made up of basmati rice with succulent pieces of mutton and cooked in all kind of Mughlai spices. So now let's begin. So let's go through the ingredients. For this we need a few cloves of garlic, few cloves of ginger. This is joitri, jaifal, 4 elaichi, a few stick of darchini, and 500 gram of mutton pieces, and 5 to 6 cup of water, and one clean the muslin cloth to make the potli. So now we are making the potli. And taking all the mutton pieces along with the potli, and I will add some bay leaves and bring to boil for 4 to 5 whistles. So friends, we are back. Now I have heated some oil in the karai and adding some ghee. 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now I am adding the boiled tejpata and the whole gota garam masala with some few peppercorns. Now let it crackle. I am adding some mutton fat, boiled mutton fat, and some beresta already done before, fried onion. Keeping some fried onion apart for garnishing, and I'm starting it from 2 to 3 minutes. So I am adding the pepper powder, and some salt. Stirring it a little bit, and then I will add the mutton soaked in yakhni water. And cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. So after stirring it for again 2 to 3 minutes, now I am adding the masala that I have made a paste I have made a paste of those masala which I have boiled with mutton. So 2 to 3 tablespoons of masala goes into that, and again stirring it for 2 to 3 minutes. I am adding the soaked basmati rice. I have taken 3 cups of rice. So I will be adding 6 cups of yakhni water, double the rice amount. Now stirring it for another 2 to 3 minutes. I am adding 2 green chili paste. and again stirring it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now friends, I am adding the mutton stock. Here is 6 cup of mutton stock. Goes. I will cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes unless and until the whole water is absorbed with a lid in low flame. So friends, as you can see, the water has completely soaked up. I am adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee and lid it and off the gas, and the dish is ready to serve. So friends, the mutton pulao is ready is served. I have garnished it with some fried onion or beresta. So now it's ready to eat. So if you really like the video, please subscribe, like, hit or comment. Thank you for watching the video.